हर घर की वाणी आकाशवाणी, हर दिल की वाणी आकाशवाणी। और दिलों को जोड़ने के लिए हम आ रहे हैं बस एक क्लिक पर। हमारे स्टेशंस लाइव, मन की बात, संगीत, ड्रामा, स्पोर्ट्स, पल पल की भरोसेमंद खबर हमारे वेबसाइट akashwani.gov.in पर। नया भारत, नया आकाशवाणी।
In the program of English Talk, we now bring you Earth, Plastic's Harm to Human and Biodiversity.
Beautiful, clean and green earth. Be a dream builder. Be a person who creates global citizens and leaders of tomorrow to save our planet, our Mother Earth. There is no life without nature. Let us know how plastic pollution disrupts ecosystems and threatens human life and biodiversity. Explore solutions and how you can do your own part to combat this global crisis. Let's ponder on the issue first. Plastic is a synthetic organic polymer made from petroleum with properties ideally suited for a wide variety of applications including packaging, building, construction, household equipments, toys, vehicles, electronics, and agriculture. Tons of plastics are produced every year, half of which is used to create single-use items such as shopping bags, cups, and straws. If discarded improperly, plastic waste can harm our environment and biodiversity in a devastating manner. Friends, quintals of plastics end up in the ocean everywhere. Plastic debris is currently the most abundant type of litter in the ocean, making up of all marine debris found from surface waters to deep sediments. The main source of plastic debris found in the ocean are land-based, coming from the urban and stormwater runoff, sewer overflows, littering, inadequate waste, disposal and management, industrial activities, tire abrasion, construction, and illegal dumping. Across the globe, several countries are unable to prevent plastic pollution and has no concrete recycling units and proper waste management systems. This leads to plastic leakage into rivers and the ocean. The legal and illegal global trade of plastic waste may also damage ecosystems. I quote here Greta Thunberg here, all we have to do is to wake up and to change. The bulk of plastic pollution in the ocean is because of littering by humans. Plastic pollution can disrupt ecosystems' ability to adapt to climate change by altering habitats and natural processes. It can also contribute to global warming since nearly all plastics are manufactured from chemicals derived from the manufacturing of greenhouse gas emitting fuels. Plastic bags, food wrappers, plastic straws, plastic bottles are a few examples of plastic pollution, also called single-use plastic. Single-use plastic are a glaring example of problems we face today. Instead of investing in quality goods that will last, we often prioritize convenience and neglect durability and consideration of long-term impacts. Use of plastics means we are accumulating waste at a shocking rate. The importance of addressing plastic pollution is an important issue, not only because it is impacting our environment and our wildlife, but it is also affecting humans. We need to resolve this problem. If we see environmental consequences of plastic pollution, the plastics may degrade into microplastics, which will alter soil's physical structure and reduces its ability to hold water. This can have a negative impact on plants' development by inhibiting root growth and nutrient absorption. Moreover, when plastic leaves toxic chemicals into the soil, it can contaminate groundwater and other water supplies. This can harm the entire ecosystem, including human beings and the animals that consume the water. Microplastics can also damage water treatment facilities by clogging pores and wearing down the treatment units, reducing process efficiency and increasing the chance of polluted water supply. Plastics impact On our wildlife is highly affected by plastics. Plastic pollution impacts wildlife in a number of ways. For example, wildlife can become trapped or endangered in plastic, preventing them from hunting for food or making them more vulnerable to prey. Additionally, animals might mistake plastic for food and eat it, choking their gut. Plastic bags are harmful because they can suffocate animals entangled in them. Some project says that plastic waste in the ocean kills 1 million seabirds every year. It can also affect reproduction. The scientific researchers say that organisms that ingest plastics can experience hormone disruption and reproductive issues that affect their overall health. Plastics can also cause hormonal problems that lead to growth and reproductive complications in a wide variety of wildlife, which can reduce their numbers and affect the overall ecosystem. So, what are we waiting for? We need to take timely initiatives and set some regulations. Cooperations from corporates, government sectors, private sectors, along with consumers will be the only way to move forward in the fight against pollution. Now, let's see what we can do to help in this plastic pollution. At a personal level, here are some ways we can implement today to help reduce plastic pollution. Reduce our personal use of single-use plastics. No matter where we are, the easiest way to get started is by reducing our own use of single-use plastics. Single-use plastics include plastic bags, water bottles, straws, cups, utensils, dry cleaning bags, takeaway containers, and other plastic items used once and then discarded. The best way to accomplish this is to refuse any unnecessary single-use plastics, instead purchasing and carry reusable versions of those products, such as reusable grocery bags, produce bags, bottles, utensils, coffee cups, and dry cleaning garment bags. Additionally, declining single-use plastic goods, let the shopkeepers know that you want them to provide eco-friendly alternatives. If more people decline single-use plastics, we can collectively promote purchase of biodegradable products, support people and organizations that aims to reduce plastic pollution. In addition to manage our own plastic pollution, it's also important for us to support the organizations to curb plastic manufacturing, enhance garbage management.
You are now listening to a talk by Vinita Gilbert on the topic Save Our Earth, Plastics Harm to Human and Biodiversity. Please stand by for an